Welcome the our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Bank of America for affiliate commissions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your affiliate commissions using Bank of America, start by logging into your Bank of America account. Ensure you have the necessary details about your affiliate program, including the payment methods they support. Locate the option for fund withdrawals or transfers within your affiliate program's dashboard. Select Bank of America as your preferred withdrawal method if applicable. Enter your Bank of America account details, including your account number and routing number. Double-check the information you entered to avoid any errors in your transaction. Decide on the amount you wish to withdraw from your affiliate earnings. Review any fees associated with the withdrawal process. Submit your withdrawal request through the affiliate program interface. Wait for confirmation from the affiliate program regarding the status of your withdrawal. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or necessary actions required from your end. Log back into your Bank of America account after a few business days to check if the funds have been deposited. If the funds are not visible, consider reaching out to the affiliate program's customer support for assistance. Additionally, verify with Bank of America to ensure there are no issues with your account. Once the funds appear in your account, you can proceed to use them as needed. Keep records of your transaction for future reference and to track your affiliate earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.